Let's take a look at the DeLaSalle 209 workstation. The cables you'll find on this Instructor Station are this blue VGA cable, and when you are connecting with your computer to this VGA cable, take a good look at the pins and make sure all of the pins are straight and none are bent or missing. The VGA cable will not work if one of these pins are damaged. This is an audio jack, and it's always used in conjunction with a VGA cable to transmit sound. You will also find an HDMI cable which provides video and audio if your device supports an HDMI connection. If you happen to have a Mac device, you need to use a mini display port to convert this HDMI connection to your Mac device. To start the Crestron unit, just select one of the sources found on the unit. This will automatically power on the system and display that selected source on the TV. When you select PC, this button will connect to the built-in desktop PC. You will select the VGA after connecting a laptop to the VGA cable provided. Note, carefully connect the VGA cable to your laptop. The many pins on the inside of the connector may become bent and will not transmit if they become bent or damaged. You can select HDMI after connecting a laptop to the HDMI cable provided. This connection provides both video and audio. You can select Air Media, which will allow you to connect the TV via Air Media. Please see attached documentation to connect. AirPlay allows you to connect to the TV via AirPlay. If you would like to connect with a Mac device using the AirPlay that's in the room, you will then navigate to the AirPlay icon located on your screen and select the room you're in. I'm in Miguel 307, so I selected the AirPlay for that room. Then a 4-digit code will appear on the projector screen. I will enter that into my Mac laptop, hit OK. Whatever is displayed on my laptop will be projected on the screen in the classroom. If you have a Windows device, go to the Air Parrot icon on your laptop. This is what's going to allow you to connect through AirPlay. And once you've double-clicked on the Air Parrot icon, a screen will come up and allow you to select the AirPlay for the room you're in. Once you've selected that, a 4-digit code will appear on the screen. You enter that code into your laptop, and whatever is displayed on your laptop will be displayed on the screen. When you select the broadcast button, this button broadcasts a video feed of the main TV to each of the other TVs in the classroom. You can use this touch volume button to raise and lower the TV speaker's volume. There's no need for a remote. Select the audio mute button to mute the audio of whatever is being projected at the Instructor Station. Now we're going to go over the camera controls found on the Crestron control unit. The zoom in and zoom out button allow you to zoom the camera in and out. The arrows allow you to pan the camera and focus on a specific area in the room. The camera home button here on the left allows you to just reset the camera angle. The display off button allows you to mute the display of only the TV at your station. This prevents the TV from displaying anything. When you select the system off button, the system turns off each and every TV in the room. Please ensure that you select the system off button when you're finished. This will power off the TV.